Hello viewer, if you face Gemini image aspect ratio problem, let's see how to fix Gemini 1:1 image aspect ratio problem. Step 1. Open any browser or go to Google. Now search 16:9 background transparent image. Now tap on image icon. From here, download 16:9 background transparent image. Tap and hold on the image and download image. After complete the download process, go to your Gemini. Now click on plus icon. Go to gallery. Now select your Gemini created image and also select the 16:9 transparent picture. Now upload it to the Gemini app. Now in the prompt box, write down, use the second picture as the reference for final aspect ratio and fill the area that was not shown in the original picture. Then send your prompt to the Gemini. After sending your prompt, please wait few seconds. Now see, Gemini image aspect ratio problem successfully solved.